Question number 3. Show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. So for this, we have drawn a parallelogram ABCD. The diagonals are AC and BD. What do we have to prove? We have to prove that these diagonals divide parallelogram into 4 triangles of equal area. So with these 2 diagonals, we have 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to show that they are all of equal area. For this, we must know properties of a parallelogram. We have learnt that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, which means here these all are intersecting at one point O. So, for diagonal AC, OA will be equal to OC. For diagonal BD, OB will be equal to OD. Why? Because diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, which means from this point, from intersecting point, the distances will be same. First of all, we'll write we have a parallelogram ABCD and the diagonals intersect at O. Now we will write the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, OA is equal to OC, and for another diagonal, OB is equal to OD. Now refer to figure. We will draw a perpendicular from C on diagonal BD. So which is the perpendicular drawn? CE, and it is perpendicular to what? BD. So we will write, let us draw CE perpendicular to BD. Now students, we know the formula to find area of a triangle. So we'll write the formula. Area of a triangle is equal to half multiplied with base multiplied with height. Now, if we consider triangle BOC, this triangle we consider, then what will be area of triangle BOC? Half into base. What is base here and what is height? We have drawn a perpendicular, right? That is CE. So CE will be what? Height. What will be base? Where it is lying on this OB. Okay, so OB will be base and CE will be perpendicular, height. So area of triangle BOC will be half into OB into CE. So we'll write like this. Area of triangle BOC is equal to half multiplied with OB multiplied with CE. Now students, will consider that this CE is drawn on this part here on OD. Okay. As such, this is on diagonal BD. So whether we take it here or here, it will be same. So we will take CE perpendicular to BD here in this triangle. So if we consider triangle DOC, then what will be area of triangle DOC? Half into base into height, right? If we consider CE is here, so CE will be height and base will be what? OD. So area of triangle DOC will be half into base. Base is OD into height. Height is what? CE. Now let us compare both the areas which we have written. Now you see, height is same CE in both the equations, right? Above, we have proved that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So OB is equal to OD. Here in both the equations, we have OB and OD, and these two are equal. Half is also equal. So what can we write from these two equations? We can write that area of triangle OBC is equal to area of triangle ODC, because all these things are equal. So since OB is equal to OD, we have area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle DOC. And this will be our equation number 1. Now students, if we consider this height CE in this triangle, okay, so we can prove that area of triangle DOC is equal to area of triangle AOD. Similarly, if we take this height CE for this triangle, from AE we draw, then we can prove that area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle AOB, and similarly we can prove area of AOB is equal to area of BOC, which means by taking this height CE in all 4 triangles, we can prove that area of these triangles are equal. Okay, by taking this one only. Now, as we have already proved for 2 triangles, okay, we proved for triangle BOC and for triangle DOC that we have written. So, we will write similarly other triangles will be equal. Similarly, area of triangle AOD will be equal to area of triangle DOC. This will be equation number 2. Right now, what did we write? These 2 triangle areas are equal. Now, similarly, we will have area of AOB equal and area of BOC also equal. So let us write for these 2 triangles what it will be. Area of triangle AOB equals to area of triangle BOC, and this is our equation number 3. Look at equation 1, 2 and 3. Area of BOC equals to area of DOC, AOD is equal to DOC and AOB is equal to area of BOC. From these 3 equations, we can say that area of all 4 triangles are equal. So let us write from equations 1, 2 and 3. Simply we are not writing, students. Here it is there in equation 1, 2 and 3 that area of all 4 triangles are equal. Therefore, area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle DOC is equal to area of triangle AOD. All 4 triangles we have included. And what does that mean? Area of all 4 triangles are equal, which means the diagonals of a parallelogram divides the triangle into 4 triangles of equal area, because we have proved that area of all 4 triangles are equal. So let us write the answer. So the answer is the diagonals of a parallelogram divides it into 4 triangles of equal area. So here we completed question number 3.